welcome to the art class everyone. I am your art teacher Mr. Rampal, and today we will discuss about abstract art and we will make the abstract art in a very easy way. So first of all, what is abstract art? Abstract art is a type of modern art, and in the abstract art, artist or a maker who's making the abstract art, it is totally free to make anything, to give the any kind of description, and it is not, you are not strict uh, on that you have to make the same as it is, or you have to give the same description. Okay, so you are totally free to do that, and that formation of the shapes are also not realistic, we can say. It must be in any form, in any shape. Okay, so which type I am going to start, I am going to tell you. I am going to start a new technique. In that I am going to use scribbling. We will make the scribble, we will scribble on a sheet. After that we will find out any object or subject over there. See, and at the last you will come to know that we will be able to make an abstract art. Why this technique and why we are going to make this? Actually, this kind of activity will help you to develop your imagination and creativity. While you will find out the things from that lines, then it will increase your concentration power and your creativity also. So let's start today's work. What will be a scribbling? First we have to know that scribbling is a lines, crossing lines going here and there. Okay, so I made here a few lines now like this, and this can be also, I'll compile like this. Now I am going to do some creative work with this, like we are going to find any object or subject inside of this. So sometimes it happen that the shape will be not visible like this, so we can move a sheet in that way, in this way, or any way. Okay, and second thing will be happen like this, that the sheets in the sheet, that the shape of the object will be not in a real form. Okay, how that humans are in a real form, that it can be somewhere from somewhere it can be bigger or smaller. So first of all we have to find out, and then we have to make that line dark. Okay, so what we are going to do, just find out. Okay, now time to color. You may use any kind of color. Okay, so we are going to do, we have done the watercolor at the back side. I used red color, crimson, and yellow, lemon yellow for that. Now I am going to do the outlining inside of that and outside of that also. Basically our picture is ready. If we want to leave like this, so we can leave like this also. A modern art is ready. But if we want to improve, if we want to do something more, so we can apply pencil, we can apply marker, we can apply charcoal pencil for the outlining of a object. So I am going to do. Okay, so this is ready. I'm going to highlight this line again, which will go outside. So abstract art with the scribbling method.